Hello and welcome to the BNMIT podcast. In today's episode, we dive deep into the world of business analytics and uncovers the insights that drive successful business. I'm your host Vaishnavi Shetty, and today we have an exciting episode lined up for you. In today's episode, we are going to explore fundamentals of business analytics, its impact on decision making, and how businesses can leverage this data to gain a competitive edge. Whether you're a student or business professional, you will gain a valuable perspective on how analytics is shaping the future. Before that, I would like to welcome our guest, Dr. Charitra ma'am. I welcome you, ma'am. Thank you. Our guest is a leading expert in business analytics and is here to share an insights on how analytics bridges a gap between academic theory and practical application. Let's get started. Ma'am, before we get into the insights of business analytics, could you please give us a brief introduction to business analytics and why it is so important for the businesses today?
So business analytics is a process of analyzing the business data in order to gain meaningful insights. Using techniques like statistic methods, predictive models, or data-driven tools. It is important for businesses to analyze data basically because it helps them understand the trend, optimize their process, and also take data-driven decisions.
As you just mentioned that business analytics is going to help businesses to make informed decision, could you please give us an example of how it helps decision making when it comes to specific industry?
Let's say retail industry, for example. Retail analytics helps us understand the customer behavior. When you understand the customer behavior, we'll be able to forecast the demand. When you forecast the demand, you manage your inventory accordingly. So by analyzing the sales data, it helps us understand what kind of products are in demand. When we know what kind of products are in demand, we will be able to adjust our inventory accordingly, reducing the wastages and hence increasing the profitability. Another example could be your Netflix or any other OTT format that matter. It recommends shows and movies to the viewers based on the tastes and preferences. By doing so, it retains the viewers and also continued subscription.
That's a great example, ma'am. As we all know, AI and machine learning tools are everywhere now. Be it from college students till corporate professionals, make use of it to make their job easier. So how do you see AI and machine learning influencing business analytics in the near future?
Artificial intelligence and machine learning are enabling businesses make better decisions by identifying trends and patterns, which would be difficult to do manually. Let's say, for example, algo trading. Algorithm trading is a method where artificial intelligence is used to understand the behavior of the financial market, with the help of which we'll be able to predict the prices of the stock and make huge profits which the humans would otherwise miss.
On that note, can you mention some emerging tools or platforms that you find promising?
See, business analytics tools and platforms are making it easier for businesses of all sizes to harness the power of data. Let's say cloud-based platforms like Google BigQuery or Microsoft Power BI are making the processing accessible and helping with visualization also. AI-powered tools such as automated machine learning is simplifying the analysis of complex problems.
Moving forward, let's talk about the real-world application. Can you please share us an example of how AI been effectively utilized in business analytics?
Okay, let's say logistic industry for that matter. In logistic industry, predictive analytics can be used in order to analyze the delivery pattern. They use analytics in order to analyze the traffic patterns and also the weather conditions so that the products can be delivered at the shortest time possible, which also brings down the fuel cost. This not only improves the efficiency of the industry, but also enhances the customer satisfaction.
Ma'am, when it comes to presenting this data, how important is data visualization and what tools or techniques do you recommend for effective data presentation?
Visualization is the most important aspect of business analytics because it is how visualization helps you present the complex data in a format which is very easy to understand and interpret. It helps us understand the trends and patterns, and also tools like Tableau and Power BI are making our job really easy.
Thank you for letting us know the importance of visualization. Ma'am, when we speak about the businesses, generally not all businesses will have a plenty of resources. Particularly when we take small businesses, how do you think small businesses can make use of analytics when they have a limited resources?
Irrespective of the size of business or the amount of resources they have, every business can actually leverage from analytics. So they can use freely available platforms and tools like Google Analytics to get data. Data analytics can be used in order to understand the customer behavior, manage their sales, make the forecast of inventory, understand the marketing campaign strategies, optimize the business, and effectively or efficiently handle their overall performance.
Moving forward, if someone who wants to start a new project or a company, how should one develop a business analytics strategy?
Start by understanding the objectives of the business. Once you know what your objectives are, check for the data that are available. Define the key metrics that supports the business strategy. And also define a strategy for your organization which adapts itself to the changing environment. The biggest and the most common challenge that the organization would see is the quality of data. If the quality of the data is inaccurate and inappropriate, the insights that you draw from it could be misleading. It's important that the organization clean and validate the data regularly and also invest in the right kind of sources. Or additionally, it's crucial to foster the culture of data integrity is to be prioritized.
For the students who wants to stay updated with latest trends and current developments in business analytics, what suggestions would you like to give for them?
See, the students and young professionals, in order to stay updated, they'll have to follow the industry blogs and also go through the news which focus on the business analytics. It is important they attend conferences organized by industries. Additionally, it's important they attend webinars and industry-organized conferences to gain insights and continue learning with courses and upgrade their skills.
Ma'am, before we conclude our today's episode, what advice would you like to give for our listeners who is interested in building a career in business analytics?
Start by leveraging the skills that you have. It could be like problem solving or project management. Try to build a portfolio for yourself by identifying a relevant project which is going to make use of the new skills that you have learned. Network with people to ensure that you keep yourselves upgraded. If required, seek mentorship so that you get valuable information. Remember, networking is your net worth.
That's an excellent advice, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your valuable insights. We hope our listeners found this session informative and inspiring. Stay tuned for more upcoming episodes as BNMIT continues to explore on various topics. Until next time, stay informed, stay authentic. Thank you.